Hi, I'm Melly Lambert, broker owner of Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, and I want to introduce you to my new listing located at 2890 Longbow Way. You do not want to miss this 2,886 square foot home, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath on conservation. Come on in and take a look around. So, what'd you think? Could you imagine waking up every morning to this with your cup of coffee and enjoying this conservation view on this beautiful lanai patio? If so, contact me at 813-690-0319 or go to tampapads.com.